Let's check out Mirage. We're gonna cover as many hotels as we
You do
can.
realize everything we do, we have to walk back.
Yeah. I'm sure very soon they're gonna open up. These are all themes, all
Yeah.
like mystical themes, like Caesar Palace, Mirage, Treasure Island. Now they're gonna open new hotels with Game of Thrones,
Yeah, it'll be booked within like the first
Lord
week
of the
opening.
Rings, or Harry Potter hotel.
I think, isn't there a Harry Potter hotel? Sure there is in Disney. Or
Looks like there's a lot of Italian money because this Venetian, Caesar Palace, it's all Italian themed, Italian like names, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you think we are in the middle of this trip now?
Yeah, I think we are.
Can you guys believe it? We walked all the like this time and went inside each and every hotel we could.
That's the thing to do
There's
here.
a lot of walk in Las Vegas Strip.
That's all there is.
Lots of walk.
So this is the entrance to the Mirage. You want to go this way?
Yeah, let's go. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, is the entrance, main entrance for Hotel de Mirage. The Mirage. Nice dolphins at the entrance to welcome you. All these hotels have grand entrance, right?
They have what?
All these hotels have grand entrance,
Yeah.
but some of them, unfortunately, as soon as you enter,
You're like, why did I enter?
they're what?
Well, in addition to an entrance, Mirage has a nice smell, right? Like it has a...
Mirage is not like Cruise. Some hotels, as soon as you enter after a grand entrance, they go like Thai fish.
There's no
But this one
But
is good.
Mirage
Like, I think
actually-
these plants are real.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's where it's coming from. Because you can smell it. It's got a nice scent to it.
The Mirage is keeping to its promise up until now.
And to its name.
Yeah. Heritage steak. So casino on the right, casino on the left, casino in the front.
You get how it works now, right? Like, as soon as you enter, there's a restaurant, a casino, and a bar.
Yeah.
All right, do a dance, do a dance.
Dance. Nice. See, you can get free performance out of some people who had a few extra. Beatles.
Representing UK.
Yeah, Beatles and big ass UK flag. See, this is our UK and British side. So Mirage wins, right? Mirage has UK theme. So Mirage wins among all the hotels because it is representing United Kingdom.